Good day and welcome to today's AutoCAD class. My name remains Oluwatunde Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Alright, today we'll be considering the problem displayed on the screen. It's the tangency problem and we'll be replicating this question using the AutoCAD software. Alright, so right here I'm having the inner circle of diameter 38 and the external circle of diameter 76. Alright, then separated by a distance of 152. Take note, by a distance of 152. So I'm going to actually do those three things I mentioned now. First, circle of diameter 38, diameter 76, and distance of 152. Going to my AutoCAD software with my circle. Okay, so diameter 76 and 38. So first one here, that's diameter 76. Enter. So the other one, diameter 38, that will be radius 19, giving diameter 38. All right, separated by a distance of 152. Right here, distance of what? 152. Enter. All right, and what? Escape. Now at the end of that mark of 152, I am having a circle. This circle of diameter what? Diameter 50. So I'm going to proceed to draw that circle now with my circle command, circle of diameter what? 50. Enter. Now after doing that, I'm going to actually produce figure out this junction. Now if you look at this junction here, you are told that from the midpoint, from this midpoint here, okay, towards this junction here is what? 146, and from the midpoint here towards the junction is what? 102. All right, so I'm going to bring an arc from this area. I'm going to strike an arc of 102 like this. Then from this junction, an arc of 146 like this, so as to get the midpoint of this other circle here. So that is what I'm actually going to do right now. So state the basic principles of what? Of technical or engineering drawing. So coming here, I'm picking my center start end. Okay, center start end from the right hand side 146. So from this area, I go this way. I switch off my auto mode by pressing F8. So 146, 146, 146, enter. Then I draw that arc like that. So to the other side, that's 102, picking the same command, center start end arc. So 102, enter, and I go this way. So I'm having that like that. So I pick a line, then I draw from this midpoint to that junction right there. You see that, and from that junction to this origin right here, and that is it. So when I'm through with that, I can take away this arc. It is no longer needed by deleting it. All right, and this line of mine, okay, including this, I'm going to make it a center line like that. All right, so that being said and done, now the next step is to get the circle sitting right here. Okay, at this top here, I'm having a circle of diameter 50 and diameter 25 right there. So with my circle, diameter 25 and radius 25 will be the second one. Radius 25. What's wrong? Radius. Oh, diameter 25 and diameter 50. Sorry, diameter 25 and diameter 50. Don't mind me. So that's an error from my end. Okay, I'm having this right here. Now the next thing is if we look at this area here, okay, we are told that an arc of radius 50 somewhere here. This on this arc of radius 50 from this midpoint, that this arc of radius 152 is lying on. You see. So I'm going to come right here and radius 50. So from this midpoint here, I'm drawing a circle of radius 50. Radius 50. Okay. So after drawing that, then I'm going to come right here and pick my tan radius. With my tan radius, the arc here is what? Radius 152 at the bottom. Radius 152. 1, 2, 152. I'm having that like that. Chip like plantain chips. And on this axis here, on my left hand side, we're having an arc of what? Radius what? Radius 76. An arc of radius 76. Tan radius. First mark, second mark, and 76. So with that, I can trim trim, 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 and trim. Okay, now I'm going to actually use extend somewhere here. Let me just extend this line here. Okay, extending that. Now this is what I'm going to do. If we look at the problem on the screen, we are told that this line you are seeing here, this line comes here, and this line is at angle of what, 30 degrees to the horizontal. You can see 30 degrees to the horizontal, and this line is tangential to the circle right here. So I'm going to actually get that line now. I'm going to draw that line. Okay, so coming to my software, picking a line. Okay, let me first of all extend this particular line here. Let me extend this line here like this. Okay, like that. So picking a line from here. Let me just draw somewhere there. Now that will be opposite this thing. So at angle of 30 degrees, tab 30 and what, tab. So I'm having that line like that, and what, enter. So I'm having my line in this area like this. Now is this line tangential at this top here? No. So I'm going to come here and readjust this line, ensuring it is what, it is sitting tangentially this area first, then like this. So I think it is okay like this. Yeah, the line is sitting perfectly here like this. I can easily trim this off. Okay, yeah. So I think the line is sitting perfectly in that area like that. So I think that area is settled. Area is settled. Now, how do we get this other part at the bottom here? Now, look at this, everybody. Look at this. Okay, we are told that an angle here 120, meaning what? Meaning the line, meaning after this arc of radius 50, there is a straight line here, and this straight line is at angle 120 degrees to this horizontal line. You see that? So it is on that straight line that this arc of radius 25 is now what, is now forming itself on this arc of radius 25 here. So take note of that. A straight line somewhere here like this, tangential to this arc of radius 50, that actually connects this 152. Then an arc of radius 25 connecting it at that junction. So we are going to figure that out together right now. Okay, yeah. So Tinker drawing is not that hard. It's just about interpretation. Okay, interpretation. So I'm going to pick a line like this, probably from somewhere. Okay, I'm going to use my trim first. Let me trim this area out. Okay, okay, I think that's okay like that. So with my line now, yeah, it is on this. So let me just draw a line here, a line here at an angle of, so 120 to the distance, that's going to be 60 on this axis, 60 degree. Then this is how my line is going to look like. So the angle from here to here like this is 120. Yeah, it is 120. Okay, it is 120 like that. So that is it. It is 120 because total angle on a straight line is what, is 180. So if total angle on a straight line like this is 180, then I pick here to here to be 60. If here to here is 60, then the leftover angle here is what, is 120, which is what we actually needed in our as shown in the problem. See, you can see. So 120 here, 60 here. This is what I'm saying. So the angle here is what? The angle here is 60. While the angle here is what? Is 120. And that is what I actually replicated over there. Okay, that's what I replicated. So after that has been done, I'm going to go back to my software right here. And back to my software right here, I can actually extend this line all the way to the top here. After doing that, I'm going to pick my tan radius. Okay, the arc connecting them is what, radius what, 25. So with this and this, I pick what, 25, and I have that right there. Having that right there, I'm going to what, use my trim. With my trim, I take this out, take this out, take this out, take this out, take this. I think it's clear like that, and this and this. Okay, so that area has been what? That area has been figured out. Has been figured out. So gotten like that. Okay. Now towards the last part. So this area from this center arc of radius 85 right there. So with my center start end from this junction at 85, enter. So I draw this arc like this. Okay. Then with my circle. Okay, still at this junction is radius what? 18 and radius 18. So I'm going to come here and draw radius 18, enter, and still come here, and from here radius what? 18, enter. So with my center start end also from this junction. Okay, I'm going to come all the way here and what? All the way here, then what? Draw this arc like this. Then with my center start end again, I'm going to come here from this junction all the way here, then what? Draw another arc like this. After that has been done, I'm going to pick my trim. I'm going to what? Trim this and what? And this. And after that has been done, I'm going to use my match properties to match this line to this line, and I'm having something as clean as this. And that brings us to the end of the problem as displayed on the screen right here. You can see. So that is it. So you can do the dimensioning and other necessary things on your own. That shouldn't be a problem at all. Alright, so that brings us to the end of this particular problem. My name remains Oluwatumbi Blessing or Lalekon, the founder of MaekllTech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.